Hey everyone, it's Tu Yen and welcome back to my channel. I'm so thrilled to have you here with me today. Today we're diving deep into the world of pimple patches. These tiny but mighty patches have been a game changer for so many people, including myself. These little lifesavers have totally transformed my skincare routine. They work wonders overnight and the results are simply amazing. We consulted with 3 board-certified dermatologists to bring you the top-rated pimple patches on the market. They shared their expert insights on how these patches work and why they're so effective. Pimple patches are a game changer, stopping you from picking and minimizing inflammation and discoloration. They create a protective barrier that helps your skin heal faster and prevents scarring. So if you're ready to say goodbye to those pesky breakouts, stick around. We'll be exploring different types of pimple patches, how to use them effectively, and sharing some personal tips and tricks. Let's get started. First up, we've got the Zits Kit, our pick for the best overall pimple patch. This kit is a game changer for anyone dealing with stubborn acne. What sets this patch apart is its unique microdart technology, with ingredients like salicylic acid and niacinamide. These microdarts dissolve into the skin, delivering powerful ingredients directly to the source of the pimple. This kit also includes cleansing swabs to prep the skin before applying the patch. These swabs are soaked in a solution that helps to clean and disinfect the area, ensuring the patch works effectively. The patches are super thin and practically invisible, so you can wear them during the day. Whether you're at work, at school, or out with friends, no one will even notice you're wearing it. It's like having a dermatologist in your bathroom. The convenience and effectiveness of this kit make it a must-have for anyone serious about their skincare routine. It's a bit pricier, but the results are worth every penny. Investing in your skin is always a good idea, and with the Zits Kit, you're getting top-notch quality. If you're struggling with deep under-the-skin pimples, this is the patch for you. It targets those hard-to-reach spots that other treatments might miss, giving you clearer skin and more confidence. Users have reported significant improvements in their skin after just a few uses. The combination of advanced technology and effective ingredients makes this kit stand out from the rest. So if you're looking for a reliable solution to tackle those pesky pimples, give the Zits Kit a try. Your skin will thank you. Next up, we've got the Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch, an absolute classic in the world of skincare. This product has gained a cult following for a reason. These hydrocolloid patches are designed to suck out all the pus and impurities from your pimples, effectively reducing inflammation and redness. With consistent use, you'll notice your skin looking clearer and more refined overnight. It's like a mini miracle for your face. The patch is super thin and blends seamlessly with your skin, making it almost invisible. You can even wear it under makeup without anyone noticing. Plus, it stays put all day long, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. And the best part? It's super affordable, making it accessible for everyone. If you're new to pimple patches and unsure where to start, don't worry. The Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch is the way to go. It's user-friendly and highly effective, making it a must-have in your skincare routine. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. For those always on the go, the different acne-prone skin patches are your new best friend. These patches are water and sweat resistant, staying put no matter what. They only require 4 hours of wear time and are formulated with soothing ingredients like aloe vera and tea tree oil. Perfect for an active lifestyle, these patches are a must-try. Let's talk sensitive skin. The Peach Slices Acne Spot Dots are here to save the day. These patches are formulated with gentle ingredients like hydrocolloid and aloe vera to soothe inflammation and promote healing. They come in 3 different sizes and are super affordable. If you have sensitive skin, these patches are a must-try. Now, let's talk about discretion with the Good Molecules pimple patches. These patches are seriously thin, making them perfect for daytime use under makeup. Despite their thinness, they're effective at sucking out impurities and calming inflammation. They're practically undetectable and super effective. If you need a discreet pimple patch, Good Molecules is the way to go. Some pimple patches can be too drying, but not the Badescu drying patches. These patches are formulated with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. They're super thin and perfect for daytime use, even under makeup. If you have dry skin, these patches are a must-try. For long wear, the Rael Miracle Patch Invisible Spot Cover is the one for you. This patch is designed for long-lasting wear, even overnight. It adheres securely and blends seamlessly with all skin tones. It only requires 4 hours of wear time. Perfect for extra coverage and staying power. For oily skin, the Peace Out Acne Healing Dots are here to help. These patches absorb excess oil and impurities, leaving your skin matte and shine-free. They're packed with acne-fighting ingredients like salicylic acid and aloe vera. Gentle enough for sensitive skin, these patches are a must-try. CosRx offers a wide variety of patch sizes for every occasion. They have small, medium, and large patches for different blemishes. These patches are affordable and effective at absorbing impurities and reducing inflammation. If you need diverse patch sizes, CosRx is the way to go. Starface patches are not only effective but also super cute and Instagram-worthy. Shaped like little yellow stars, they're fun and playful. Formulated with hydrocolloid, they draw out impurities and promote healing. Vegan and cruelty-free, these patches are a must-try for a cute and effective option. For stubborn blemishes, the NextCare Acne Absorbing Cover is the one for you. This patch is seriously absorbent, drawing out deep impurities overnight. It's breathable and easy to peel off. If you need a highly absorbent patch, NextCare is a must-try. Key concepts. Pimple patches are super versatile for both face and body. They're perfect for body acne and discreet underclothes. These patches are effective at absorbing impurities and reducing inflammation. They come in a pack of 132 patches. If you need versatile patches, Key Concepts is the way to go. The Averell Zitut. Original patches are here to soothe and calm your skin. Formulated with tea tree oil and calendula extract, they're gentle and soothing. They're pregnancy-safe and come in a reusable pouch. Perfect for sensitive skin, these patches are a must-try. The Peace Out Early Stage Acne Dots are perfect for preventing pimples. Formulated with salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid, they unclog pores and reduce redness. They're invisible on the skin, perfect under makeup. If you want to stop pimples in their tracks, these patches are a must-try. Grace and Stella offers a wide variety of fun shapes for their pimple patches. They have round, oval, star-shaped, and heart-shaped patches. These patches are effective at absorbing impurities and reducing inflammation. If you want fun and effective patches, Grace and Stella is the way to go. The Mighty Patch Surface is perfect for larger clusters of blemishes. It's a giant pimple patch that can be cut into smaller pieces, effective at absorbing impurities and reducing inflammation. If you need a patch for large areas, the Mighty Patch Surface is a must-try. The Alba Botanica Acnedote. Pimple patches are a great budget-friendly option. Formulated with natural ingredients like tea tree oil and witch hazel, they're effective and affordable. If you're looking for a budget-friendly patch, Alba Botanica is a must-try. The Skin Iceland Blemish Dots are perfect for quick results. Formulated with salicylic acid and hydrocolloid technology, they work wonders overnight. They significantly reduce the size and redness of blemishes. If you need quick results, Skin Iceland is a must-try. And there you have it, guys. Those are my top picks for the best pimple patches on the market. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so experiment with different brands and types. Be patient and use pimple patches consistently for the best results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and product recommendations. See you in the next video.